Hey traders, market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, as you know that some of the biggest things that makes you a successful trader is really learning the art of trade management and really good money management techniques. I've just recorded the video walking through all the steps that's really going to help you. So click on the box above that says trade and money management and to get access to this video right now. Alrighty traders, so market update time. Let's have a quick look at all the indexes. I'm doing this as the market has just recently closed. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. Got a few trend lines here on my daily chart for the Dow Jones, and as you can see, the Dow Jones is I wasn't sure whether that was going to be a resistance or not, but as you can see, the market's had a little pullback today, pretty much a nothing day for the Dow Jones, but we did get a bit more selling volume here. This volume here, guys, is generally what happens on my software. I don't know why, my TC2000 platform. It takes about half an hour or an hour for that volume to come in. So whether that volume stays there, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot higher by the time it's all calculated and everything goes through. So I did a video yesterday saying that this is a pump and dump, meaning it's going to pump it and then they're going to dump it. Now whether that dump is sounds so good, doesn't it? Pump and dump. So whether that dump is like that, where it just pulls back and it just dumps like that, then whether that's the dump or whether it's like that, we don't know, but you know, I believe that pullback is starting to happen now, so we'll just have to wait and see. S&P, same thing, guys, had actually had a bit more of a down day, had basically 0.5%. I get a bit more of a selling volume. That the volume will be a lot higher by the time it's all calculated when we're looking at that. Looking at the Nasdaq actually had a nice, decent selling volume coming here. Not a lot, once again, but once again, by the time this is finished, it's probably going to be up here by the 2 million mark once it's finished. So I am expecting to see that pullback starting to happen. Maybe it's going to happen this week. It just, you know, you can just start to see it happening. So you can see things like the SPY. The VIX had a little move to the high side. I think the VIX is going to spike like crazy this month. I don't know why, I just had a feeling about that. Transportation average has started to roll over. Look at that selling volume in the transportation average already. You know, it would just tower it over everything through there. You can see that through there. So a lot more selling volume is starting to come into it. As I said before, guys, the market's going up and the volume's going down. Now it's starting to sell off and we're starting to get a big volume spike. Guys, that is telling you something. When you read the market like that, extended move to the high side and now it's rolling over and now we get a big selling volume. That to me is a very, very, very big. We've got like a 90% chance now of starting a pretty significant downtrend with that sort of action through there. Looking at the IWV setup, you can see the market ran up through there and had like a 0.5% pullback on the IWV. This is the Russell 3000 index. Not much of a volume through there. And the IWM trade, this is the one that I actually said that I actually put a put option on, and you guys said that I was nuts and the market's going to keep going up. We had almost a 1.5% pullback. Look at that volume through there. So as you guys know, it was 2 days ago. It was this day here that I actually ended up putting that put option on, and so far we've got this big down, we've got a nice 1.5% down day, and yeah, so 1.5% down day, and we've got a big volume spike there as well too. So there we go, guys. There's a quick little update on all the indexes and what I'm seeing through everything through there. You can see that by looking at this market, guys, and by analyzing this market, you can see when this is likely to happen. So don't ever think this market's just going to keep going up and up and up, because it doesn't happen. And the more this goes vertical, the faster and harder the pullback. And we've gone so vertical, so high with low volume. Once again, guys, when that happens, there's like a 90% chance that this thing is going to snap, and it's going to snap back hard, especially going into the holidays. You know, like the market just kept going up and up and up on low volume. What happens when people come back from the holidays? And as you can see already, the market's starting to sell off. Now, whether that continues or not, we really don't know. But looking at the market and looking at what's happening right now, we can see that that's happening. So as you guys know, I have way out of the money put options on this one here. This is already starting to work in my favor. If we do start to get some pretty big selling off, then my out of the money options are going to be really, really nicely in profit. If I'm wrong, I'll lose 2%. If I'm half right, you know, I might make say 5% of my account. or 5% off my 5% on my account. If I'm dead wrong, if I'm dead right, then my account could go up by 20% or more. So risk to reward ratio is about everything, guys, and understanding how the markets work is everything as well too. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.